Here is question number 19. The cost function of a commodity is given and it's dependent on Q. Q is basically just quantity, number of items produced. Okay. They're asking you to find C prime of 100. So basically first step is to find the derivative of function. This is a very complicated looking function, but basically this can be done using power rule. 3 comes down, multiplies with 0.5, power 1 less, minus 2 comes down, multiplies with 0.02, power 1 less, plus derivative of q is just 1, so only this will be left, plus derivative of 75 is 0. So this is 0.15 q square minus 0.04 q plus 0.14. They are asking you to find CQ prime at 100. So all you have to do, in place of Q, you need to put 100 now. 0.15 times 100 square minus 0.04 times 100 plus 0.14. You can punch this in your calculator and I am getting $1496.14. Now, this is in dollars because it's derivative of cost. What is it meaning? That is mean marginal cost at 100. What's the physical interpretation of that? That is the cost of producing one extra unit after 100 units have been produced. Okay, that's the interpretation of marginal cost. The last question, question number 20 from the review. The question is to find dy. We're going to skip delta y here. Dy. The dy's formula, if you remember, is f prime x times delta x, because delta x is approximately same as dx. So let's work on part A. Y is x squared minus 4x. So f prime x basically is y prime is 2x minus 4. And delta x is given to be 0.5. So dy here should be f prime x times delta x. X is given as 3. So basically f prime of 3 times 0.5. F prime of 3 can be found using in this function 2 times 3 minus 4 times 0.5. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 4 is 2 times 0.5. If you multiply them, you will get 1. That is part 1. Let's work on part B. Y here is given as x minus x cube. So y prime would be 1 minus 3x squared. Basically, that's f prime of x. We need to find dy, which is f prime of x times delta x. In the second part, delta x is given as negative 0.3 and x is given as 0. So basically f prime at 0 times delta x is negative 0.3. F prime of 0 can be found from here. So 1 minus 3 times 0 square is 0 times negative 0.3. Basically 1 times negative 0.3. The answer is negative 0.3 for dy.